We're going to hang out when you put the microwave in and the satellite TV.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly.
And the beer fridge.
Yeah, the main salon.
And the cake fridge.
Yeah.
And
I've gotten so much planking in the boat now you can't get into it without going over the transom.
Almost.
Yeah, and it's just a matter of skinning your knees, which I've already done enough of. But when you're standing down in it, you get a better feeling for the whole, the way it is. Well, the kick I get out of this is when you start with a drawing,
Lại nắng quá. Cho con về nhà tiếp không ai tụi bay cưa cái này.
Only 8 tons. So that means that it's only going to be, the water will only come up to about here. Like this.
Yeah.
So all we need is about 5 feet, 1.7, what do you mean, 1.4? Yeah, 1.4 meters of water will float it. Because that will not be deeper.
No,
The bow will go down and that will go up. So it'll be kind of cocked like this, which makes it shallower until the ballast and the engine and all that get in there. So that's the hope, that we'll have enough water to get it, squeak it out of here. And if we don't, we'll just drag it brutally out.
And you will have some kind of dumper machine? Or what kind of machine will?
Well, we just got a truck.
A truck.